Welcome back to the channel. My name's Chad. I'm your tall tailor. It's been a couple months since my last video, like 3 months or so. I'm currently working on a pant tutorial that's about halfway done right now. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys a project that I completed last year that I'm pretty proud of. I've been meaning to make this video for quite a while now. I just never got around to it. So last year I had the pleasure of making a dress for the artist Liza. She makes some phenomenal music. You guys should go check it out. This dress in particular was for her Done Is Done music video. It came out last year. I think I'll link it in the description so you guys can go check it out. Her stylist hit me up and we ended up going over some ideas that we wanted to do for the dress. We ended up going with a two-piece dress that was inspired by a similar piece made by Stella McCartney for I think the 2014 Met Gala. It was worn by Rihanna. I'll show some pictures here so you guys can like get an idea of what we're going for. I always thought dressmaking was cool because I feel like you can do a lot of different things with dressmaking as like compared to like pants or like well, you can do a lot of stuff with fashion in general, but I think dressmaking is like you get a lot more to work with in terms of like length or material. Anyway, the dress looks really beautiful on Rihanna, and there are a couple of aspects that we specifically wanted to like replicate, specifically like the turtleneck or the mock neck aspect of the dress and the long sleeves. So those sort of the things that we ended up taking bits and pieces from and incorporating it with our design. Anyways, that was like 8 months ago, so I don't really have all the footage, but I'm just gonna compile a couple of shots that I took over the process. Hopefully you guys like it. Yeah, let's get sewing. All right, so we drove all the way downtown. We're getting fabric at the fabric store, one of the only fabric stores that's open right now because, you know, pandemic and everything. We're gonna get some fabric. For fabric, we have a two-way stretch satin, and it's this beautiful emerald green color. The color works really well with your skin tone, and the stretch material can give us more of a skin-tight look. So normally we'd start all the projects with getting measurements, which we did get, but I actually didn't get any of that footage. To be honest, I don't have too much footage of the sewing process either, but that was like a year ago, so don't fault me too much. As I said before, this dress is satin, which is a delicate fabric, and whenever working with delicate fabrics, you should always make sure to do some test stitches before. And what I mean by test stitches are you get a scrap piece of fabric, cut off a piece of the material you're gonna use, and just run a couple stitches on it just to make sure that the tension is tuned and the needle's nice and sharp. So we ended up doing a couple fittings for the dress and changed the design quite a bit. I'd say the two main changes would be the cut of the back and the shoulder pads. So the original dress, if you look at it, it has these like really pronounced shoulder pads. So we ended up just scrapping that idea, and also the the cut of the back is a little bit more round in the one that we ended up doing, and the white dress is more of a sharper angle. All right, so I was up late last night. Well, not too late. Working on the dress. I'd say we got about 80% of the dress finished. The other 20% is more fit of the dress, so that's the stuff I have to do with the dress on. But let's see what we have done so far. So first up, I'm gonna show you the top, which is pretty much done. You can't really see, this is an emerald green. It doesn't really pick up too well on the camera. Things we need to finish about the top, mainly just like finishing up the sleeves. I didn't add the turtleneck because I want to see how it fits around the neck, and also the back doesn't have those little diagonal things, but I left it long so I can just, you know, pin it to her body and then stitch that up. So that's the top. The skirt portion, it's folded on this hanger, but I'm not gonna take it off. You can see the train down here and the front of the skirt. It's inside out right now. Satin is really beautiful, very soft as well too. Things that we did for the skirt, it's pretty much, I'd say maybe like 90% done. We just need to add the waistband and finish up the zipper on the side. But I'm gonna take this, put both of these into a little suit holder thingy, and then take it over to get it fitted. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of the dress and the video too. Go check it out and watch it. If you want to see some more pictures of it, I think I have some pictures on my Instagram I uploaded about 2 or so weeks ago. Next video will hopefully be the pants tutorial. I bought some denim or filmed it so we can have like a step-by-step process of how to make some pants. Yeah, and hopefully you guys will like it. Thank you again for watching. Bye. Also, shout out to Clocks and Colors for sending me these rings. This one's like a sea ocean inspired one, and this one's more of a like a koi fish style, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, bye.